Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that Bitcoin has just broken 67,000. All-time high is not very far, and similar thing is happening with Dogecoin as we're up about another 14% today. We have another 20% day, and we're going to be breaking Cardano and USDC's market cap. On the other end, our boy Elon Musk just tweeted this out: Starship Flight 3 preparing for launch. Will this have some sort of connection with Dogecoin? If so, that's gonna be very crazy. Is Elon Musk behind the Dogecoin's 100% price explosion? Hey, this is something really important. And finally, I want to talk about a really big whale which is selling really big amounts of Dogecoin, so you have to be prepared. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make more profit. Now, just one important thing that you guys need to understand is pay attention to the trading volume. That's where the whole game is right now. If you guys remember, about a month ago when I used to pay very close attention to Dogecoin and there was no other people looking at it, you remember the trading volume falls very strongly. It was sitting close to 200 million, which was very low. The reason for that is other smaller meme tokens were blowing up, but now you guys can see that the whole meme industry is going up, and therefore Dogecoin is leading the chart with $6 billion market cap. It is the 7th most traded crypto right now. Now keep in mind, the trading volume to the market cap ratio is at 25%, which is just incredible. Yesterday we talked about how we are climbing so quickly. We were around this zone. I mentioned we will be able to hit the 18-cent mark. That's where the resistance will be faced, and that is exactly what has happened. We have seen a little bit of profit taking, and now the price action will keep going up. Now, talking about boy Elon, you guys know that Doge 1 should be happening very soon. Right now Dogecoin is trending on Twitter, even Shiba Inu is trending, but Doge obviously in post is much higher. Now keep in mind, this would be the perfect time for Elon to do some sort of announcement relating to, hey, this new rocket that we are launching is called Doge 1. Everything was paid in Dogecoin. Now you guys know Elon has been a big supporter of Dogecoin since day one. Now what does that mean? Well, right now Dogecoin is just growing by itself. This is just does not need any sort of catalyst to help it pump. But if we do receive a catalyst while the price is just going up generically, or just it's going to cause a big speculation and also just big parabolic move that I know a lot of you guys will be very happy to see. Now this is preparing for launch very soon. This was posted 4 hours ago by SPACEX, so this is going to be happening really soon. Now this is really interesting because everyone's talking about how this is probably pumped by Elon, but personally I don't agree with that. Why? Because Doge has pumped between March, April in 2021, 2022, 2023, and it has had pretty decent growth. Why Elon unusually does some sort of thing to pump up the price on either April Fools or 420, which is obviously the 20th of April. Now Bitcoin is already at its all-time high. Dogecoin is doing some big numbers, so does that mean as we get closer to the end of March, we're going to be seeing some sort of announcement from our boy Elon? That will be something we will have to wait and see. Just keep in mind, this is going to be playing a very crucial role because I know a lot of you guys want to see Elon post it. So therefore, when he does do the post, it's going to cause the price to go even more explosive. But when we talk about this wallet, which is nearly the second largest holder of Dogecoin, they have close to $1.3 billion worth of Dogecoin. You can see that the last 2 days they have been selling very excessively, so you guys do need to be a little cautious and make sure you do take profit if you would like to. As you can see, $7 million, 5, 21 million, 10 million, 6 million, 22 million. So altogether that's still close to, I would say, $70 to $80 million worth of sale, and that's one of the reasons why we are seeing those profit taking very sharply, because that big sale is obviously going to drive the price down very quickly as well. Right now this is a 1 hour chart. You guys can see we are able to consolidate somewhere close to 17 cents. 18 cents is going to act as a resistance. We just need to be a little patient. If we're able to break above the 18-cent mark, then if you do not know, the next exploration point or the next big resistance zone is going to be close to 21. I know a lot of you guys are very happy to hear that because you do not want the Dogecoin price to be slowing down, and personally I don't see any signs of it slowing down. The only thing you need to worry about after we break the 18 cent is 20 cents. If we break above the 20 cent mark, because you guys can see it has been tested quite a lot of times before, after that there is not much slowing it down to hitting 30 cents. Now these are some big jumps you can see, but the resistance barriers are very small in that zone, which is good. I know it makes a lot of you guys very happy. Now let's talk about this. There is a potential dip. Now what dip they're talking about? Well, if you just go into the 1 hour chart, you guys can see that the way it has been acting, so from here to here, you can see that there is a slight chance of it to fall down to the 15 cent mark, which was once talked as a resistance zone, but now if it falls down there, that's going to be where the support is going to be. The way the line is forming, there will be a little bit of profit taking, maybe push it down to 15 cents before we see it go up. But clearly we're still in the uptrend, but there is a slight chance, so make sure you have that in the back of your head. Now this has been going viral again, which they're talking about how Elon Musk loves Dogecoin. Now SPACEX is launching that. Cybertruck has over 80 mentions of Dogecoin in the code when it comes to the Tesla website. When it comes to other things, you guys know another big one is the X payments. They have not made any sort of announcement, but if the first announcement is something relating to Dogecoin, that's going to have a positive impact. Also, while Bitcoin price is hitting an all-time high, we're seeing an all-time high of putting cold storage of Bitcoin, because not many people are selling, which is really interesting because usually when Bitcoin goes up so quickly, there's a lot of people willing to sell. Now let's talk about another whale. Now you guys can see this whale was also holding on to quite a significant amount of Dogecoin, and they have close to $240 million left. Why? Because they sold close to 200 million in just the last 1 week. So that's why I'm saying be a little cautious. If you see those pullbacks, it's not just because there's some people taking profit. It's actually probably just two people taking profit, but really massive profits. Now, Dogecoin price prediction, what can we see? Now, just keep in mind, the important thing that you need to understand is Dogecoin price is going to keep going up. There is a very high chance that we're going to go up, but there might be a little bit of correction. So you need to be ready. I'm not one of those enthusiasts that will just lie to you completely. Just keep buying, keep buying. Sometimes it's okay to take healthy profits, just do not panic sell, because if you panic sell, that's where the whales are going to be making their profit. So you need to be a little bit more cautious when it comes to that. Now, Dogecoin will transfer over 1.6 billion Dogecoin to Binance and COINBASE. Usually when it's taken to the CEX, they are going to be selling, so be cautious. Now, Dogecoin rallies 97% upon the open interest peak, backtrack incoming. I mean, personally, yes, it is possible. The amount of the long positions that people are holding onto right now, there is a huge chance that Dogecoin is just going to go really explosive very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.